Good morning, friends. Today, for problem solving, you are solving this perfect attendance problem. It says King School is taking all of the students who have perfect attendance to a movie. There are 325 students who have perfect attendance. Bart and Angela have perfect attendance and will be going to the movie. King School provides buses to take the students to the movie. Each bus can hold 42 students. Bart says that King School needs 8 buses to carry all the students to the movie. Angela disagrees with Bart. She thinks 8 buses is too many. Who is correct? Show all of your mathematical thinking. Boys and girls, take your highlighter or your pencil and underline or highlight important information within the passage. The question asks, who is correct? Please do not just put the name Bart or the name Angela. It also says show all of your mathematical thinking. So I need someone's name to actually answer the question, but I need to see all of the thinking and work possible to show how you got the answer of Bart or Angela and how you know that you are correct in your thinking. Make sure I can find your answer on your page. Put your name on the paper and turn it into the math tray when you're finished.